Have you ever pondered on the question, why is histology considered as the cornerstone of medical studies? This is because it invites us into a hidden world, a microscopic universe teeming with life, intricacy, and wonder. It's in this realm of the minuscule where we begin to truly understand the human body. Histology, the study of microscopic structures of tissues, is indeed the foundation of our understanding of the human body. Every organ, every structure that makes us who we are is composed of various types of tissues. These tissues, in their unique ways, work in unison to keep our bodies functioning, to keep us alive and well. Think about it. Our heart, our lungs, our brain, every significant part of our being, they're all constructed from these tiny, intricate tissues. So to truly comprehend the human body, to truly master medicine, we must first delve into this world. In essence, to master medicine, one must first master the understanding of the microscopic world of tissues, the world of histology. Imagine being an explorer, delving into the unseen world that exists within us. Just like pioneers charting new territories, medical students, with the help of histology, embark on a journey to explore this microscopic universe. Histology, the study of microscopic anatomy of cells and tissues, serves as a magic telescope, enabling us to peer into the depths of our bodies. It's about moving beyond the surface, beyond what our naked eyes can see, to uncover the intricate details of our inner world. Let's talk about how this exploration begins. It starts with a small piece of tissue, a tiny fragment of our body's landscape. This tissue is carefully prepared and preserved, then thinly sliced into slides so thin they're almost transparent. These slides, under the microscope, reveal a world of complex structures and patterns, each one unique, each one telling a story about the body it came from. These structures, though minute, are far from simple. Each type of tissue, be it epithelial, connective, muscular, or nervous, has a unique structure that corresponds to its function. Epithelial tissues, for instance, form the body's protective layers, while nervous tissues carry electrical signals that drive our thoughts, emotions, and actions. By studying their structures, we can understand their functions and how they contribute to our overall health and well-being. But histology isn't just about identifying tissues. It's about learning to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, about finding beauty in the patterns and rhythms of life. It's about understanding that the body is not just a collection of parts, but a complex, interconnected system, a living tapestry woven from countless threads of cells and tissues. So as you delve into histology, remember that you're not just studying tissues and cells. You're embarking on an adventure into the unknown, a journey that will take you to the very heart of life itself. You're exploring the microscopic world that exists within us, a world as vast and as fascinating as the cosmos itself. Histology, in its essence, is an exploration, a journey into the tiny universes that make up our bodies. So why does this microscopic exploration matter? Why is histology so significant? Well, the answer lies in its profound role in diagnosing diseases. You see, abnormalities in tissue structures can be like warning signs on a dashboard indicating the presence of diseases like cancer. By examining tissues on a microscopic level, histologists can detect these abnormalities, aiding in the early detection and treatment of many conditions. But the significance of histology extends beyond disease diagnosis. It also plays a pivotal role in research, contributing to the development of new treatments. Every breakthrough in medicine Every new drug, every innovative therapy can often be traced back to a histology lab. Histologists are the unsung heroes working behind the scenes, decoding the mysteries of our bodies, one tissue sample at a time. Histology doesn't just help us understand our bodies, it helps us understand disease, and ultimately, it helps us save lives. Histology is more than just a subject. It's a powerful tool in the hands of medical professionals. It's like a secret code unlocking the mysteries of the human body. With the power of histology, medical students and professionals are able to delve into the intricate world beneath the skin, exploring every cell, tissue, and organ in their quest for knowledge. This understanding, this power, is not merely academic, it is practical, tangible. It aids in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases, from the common cold to cancer. Histology is the foundation upon which the edifice of medicine is built. It's the microscope through which we understand life, health, and disease. In conclusion, histology is the microscopic language of the human body, a language every medical student must learn to decipher. It is the gateway to understanding the human body, to diagnosing diseases, and to healing. The world of medicine begins here, in the world of histology, in the world of the unseen.